This is a really cool neighborhood though.
Yeah,
I can see why they chose here. It looks very interesting, very old-fashioned almost, though, no?
Hey, to the fisher's house. This is so cool.
Yeah, this is where Nick was running. He'd always run down where the palm trees were.
Yeah, they did.
So you take it from here. I already got several from yours. Mine's on manual. I think it's
okay. Hey, we're going Fisher's house. We drive through.
I can't believe I'm driving through the Fisher's driveway.
No way.
But I'm trying to get through though.
So you're gonna park where Claire was parking? No?
I can get through.
Ah, can't you? No, you can. Yeah. Yeah,
No
fine.
way.
Ah.
No.
This is the place Claire was parking. So you're gonna park here, huh? Ah.
This is an experience just driving through here.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
This is even cooler than meeting like Rockstar.
Yeah, it is.
Seriously, I've met a few. This is different though. This is personal. Oh my gosh.